Hi everyone, this is another post-pandemic traveler video from Naples in Italy, and today I'm at Pompeii ruins. If you don't know about Pompeii ruins, basically this was one of the first cities in Naples, and when there was an eruption, I think it was Mount Vesuvius erupted, the whole thing was covered in ash. So over many years, they've dug it back up and it has become an archaeological site. A lot of tourists come here. When you come here, you can drive and park. The parking is quite expensive, but that's what we did today. You can also get buses from all different locations. When you come here, you can do different types of tours. So you can do a tour with a tour guide, and you can choose which tour guide speaks your language. Then you can also, if you want to do a little bit of a cheaper version of that, you can also get an audio tour. So they give you some headphones and you walk around, and when you go to different places, it tells you different information. So as you can probably see, it's a very interesting place. There's lots of different statues, different parts of the city. They explain what the different things were for, the different rooms, houses. Yeah, so they just would have had basically everything here, from shops where you could buy any number of items, alcohol, clothes, maybe even go for a massage of some description. And then they had houses of all different descriptions as well for the uber rich with huge gardens, and then ones that would be smaller for the workers from all of the different shops. Okay, so somehow I've lost my friend now. I turned around for a second, he has disappeared. But I will give it a second and I'll find him again, I'm sure. Wait for part 2. Oh, actually there he is, so we can just keep going. Did you want to have a look in there? Is there anything in there?
Really? I went through, but I didn't want to get lost with you.
Yeah. I just always backtrack. If I lose it, I just backtrack a bit. You know, I wouldn't have gone far. Alright, once again, this has been a post-pandemic traveler video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you know anyone that might like my videos, please share them with them. And I'll be doing like probably a part 2 or 3 to the Pompeii ruins visit, so keep your eye out for that.